Hi, my name is Joey, and for my how-to, I am doing how to pick the best hockey stick, how ice hockey and inline gear are the same and different, and then the differences between ice hockey pucks and inline pucks. First, if you're a left-handed shot, a left-handed writer, you're going to want your left hand on the shaft of the stick, and you're going to want your right hand on the butt end. And then also, it depends if you like a grip. A grip affects your shot in a way. It means that it basically, if you want your hands to stay on, or if it kind of slides down or up. But for this stick, it doesn't have any flex, because look, I can spin it around my hand. But then this stick has flex in it. Can't really spin it around your hand. Another thing is the curve of your stick. If you like a really good, like a really curved curve on your stick blade, then that means that you're kind of like a dangler, which means you like to stick handle a lot. For instance, if you are a defenseman, you're not going to want a curved blade because you don't need to deke around anybody. All you need to do is get those slap shots from the point into the net. Third is that there's a thing called flex on every single stick. Like right here, this is a 50 flex. Right here, this is an 85 flex. Right here, this is a 85 flex too. And then right here, this is 100 flex. So that means that it takes a lot of power to bend that stick 1 inch. But out of all these sticks, every single stick, not every single one, but a lot of the top brands like CCM, Easton, Bauer, Reebok, they like to put names on the sticks because players really like that type of stick. Like for this one, it's a Nathan McKinnon. For this one, this is an Ovechkin. For this stick, Igagola. And then for this one, this is a Sidney Crosby. So now we're going to talk about the pucks. The difference between an inline puck and an ice puck is that inline pucks are made out of plastic. See? And they have these little circles on each like in between, I don't know how many inches, but they're equally in between each other. But then the ice puck, that means that this can slide basically anywhere. The ice puck though is solid rubber. And this won't really slide on here too well. It rolls because the rubber isn't meant to slide on this hard pavement. It's meant to slide on slick ice. And that's why these two pucks are meant for what you play with them. Why you play with them. And then getting into the bag. For inline hockey, you're going to need a pair of pants like this with sides and everything. For my gloves, I have Bauer X80s. And also, you're going to need some shin pads. You kind of want to get nice ones because not always the cheap ones won't work as well, and they will hurt if you block shots. And second, here are my Easton elbow pads. And here are my skates that I use for inline hockey. And here's my helmet. And then I have pants too, right here. But for ice hockey, you're going to need these instead of these. You're going to want everything else, but instead of your pants, you're going to have socks. So let me go run and grab a pair. These are the socks you're gonna wear. So take my shoe off, and what you're going to do is you're going to have these, your shin pads, on like this. Then what you're going to do is you're gonna take your sock and slide it over just like that. So it's like that. But then you're going to use this clear tape. Clear tape, you're going to wrap it right around here so this sock doesn't come down while you're playing. Second, going back to the sticks. This is hockey wax. That goes on the end of your stick blade right here, and you just rub it on, and you only use it for ice hockey though, only for ice hockey. And basically helps the puck kind of stick to your blade better. And then also you use ice skates instead of roller blades. Some people like to call it, or inline skates. Right now I don't have my ice skates with me, they're in my mom's car, but that is all for my presentation, and thank you.